Hi, in this video I will show you the new LED keyboard. Package included: instruction, USB cable Type-C, and a keyboard. Turn it on. You can adjust the brightness. And change the colors. This keyboard works only with a Bluetooth, so make sure that you have it. Press FN and Bluetooth key. Bluetooth key starts to blink. Open the Bluetooth settings on your computer. Now is connected. And now, the keyboard sound. It is very quiet. For charging, plug the USB connector. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.